You know that annoying feeling when you find expensive meat at the back of the freezer covered in ice crystals? It feels like throwing money in the trash. I've tested the top models to find out which ones actually keep your food fresh. Number 5. Bonsenkitchen Vacuum Sealer. You know that feeling when you buy a giant pack of steaks or fresh berries, but you realize there is no way you can eat them all before they spoil? It feels like throwing money in the trash. I found that the Bonsenkitchen vacuum sealer handles this beautifully. It uses globefish technology for a tight seal and operates with surprisingly low noise. The easy handle design means you aren't fighting with a lid to lock it down. It includes a built-in cutter and storage for bag rolls, making the process smooth. While it might take a second longer than industrial machines, its consistent performance and 120-watt motor offer great value for home cooks. It even comes with a starter kit of bags. This is ideal for families who shop at wholesale clubs and want to keep their groceries fresh without a noisy kitchen. Check the link below to see more. Number 4. Airlock proseal system machine. The Airlock proseal system is the standout feature here, providing a professional-grade airtight barrier that keeps food fresh for significantly longer periods. This 10-in-1 machine offers versatile dry and moist modes to handle everything from delicate snacks to juicy meats. The compact silvery white design fits neatly on any counter, featuring a digital timer so you can track the sealing process accurately. Built from durable materials, it includes integrated roll storage and a cutter for custom bag sizes. While the digital interface requires a quick glance at the manual to master, the user experience is incredibly intuitive once you get going. It provides excellent safety features to prevent overheating during bulk sessions. This model is best for meal preppers who need precision and various sealing options. If you want a versatile tool for your pantry, check the link in the description for the current price and availability. Number 3. Fresko Vacuum Sealer. I've been using the Fresko vacuum sealer for a while, and what stood out first was the automatic bag detection. You just place the bag, and it starts sealing without much effort. The 0.2-inch widened heating strip creates a stronger seal compared to thinner strips I've used before. Suction power is decent for everyday foods like chicken, fruits, and leftovers, though it's not the strongest for heavy liquid items. The compact design fits easily in small kitchens, which I appreciate. It's simple to operate, with clear buttons that don't confuse you. Build quality feels solid for the price, and it comes with a starter kit, so you're ready right away. There's basic overheating protection for safety, which is helpful during repeated use. Overall, it's a reliable choice for beginners or anyone wanting a straightforward vacuum sealer without too many complicated features. Number 2. Vakumar 90 kilopascals liquid food sealer. What if you could vacuum seal soup or marinated chicken without making a complete mess of your kitchen? Most sealers struggle with liquids, but this Vakumar model features a powerful 90 kilopascal suction specifically designed for dry, moist, and even liquid modes. The LED indicator lights guide you through each step, while the handle lock design ensures a secure seal every time. It is built with a sleek finish and includes a built-in cutter for maximum efficiency. While the 90 kilopascal suction is quite strong and can be a bit loud, the speed at which it removes air is impressive. It is a rugged machine for those who do a lot of sous vide cooking or freeze batch stews. You get a full starter kit to begin organizing your freezer immediately. If you want to stop wasting liquids and leftovers, head to the link below to grab yours today. Number 1. Anova Culinary Precision Sealer. Freezer burn is the enemy of every home cook, turning expensive meat into a dry, unappetizing mess within weeks. The Anova Culinary Vacuum Sealer solves this problem by creating a reliable, airtight seal that preserves texture and flavor for months. This slim and compact machine is specifically designed to fit into small drawers, making it a great solution for cramped kitchens. It offers dual modes for wet and dry foods, ensuring your sous vide bags stay sealed during long cooks. While it lacks built-in roll storage to keep the size down, the portability more than makes up for it. It comes with 10 BPA-free pre-cut bags and a 2-year warranty for peace of mind. This is best for beginners or sous vide enthusiasts who need a reliable brand name without taking up entire counter space. Grab yours through the link provided below. I recommend the Fresko vacuum sealer as the best choice because its automatic bag detection and widened heating strip makes sealing effortless and secure for beginners. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best prices.